Good day, my friends. Welcome to CSItech, our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss how you are going to organize your DJ music library on virtual DJ. So, today, on your music library, there can be your tracks that you have ripped from your CDs, and you don't have the proper song details of these tracks. For example, now these tracks doesn't have a proper song name, it doesn't have the artist name, it doesn't have the year and BPM value, and those information are not there. So, and I'm going to show you how you're going to update these details very easily on your music library. When I'm playing this music, sometimes I may be muting up the audio output because of the copyright issues on YouTube. Now let's see our channel introduction first. Okay guys, now first I need to find out the song title and artist information for this music. So I don't know the title and artist name for this music. So to find out that, I'm going to use the program software called Shazam. So Shazam is mostly popular software that you can find details of music using the sound itself. So there's an online version available on Shazam. So first I'm going to open my web browser. Then I have to type Shazam here and open the Shazam website. So there you can click on this button. Then you have to allow the microphone usage for first time. So now it's listening. Then I need to play the music on virtual DJ. So now I'm going to find the details for this particular song. Alright, it has found the information. This is the song track title. And also I'm going to copy the artist name. Artist name and this thing is okay. So go to the tag editor, click on this dot sign, and we'll get the missing information. Okay, it has found the missing information: album, genre, and the year of the song. So I can go to the tag editor and find the cover art for this particular song. And here to BPM and those informations, you can do a batch mode. And click on here to get the batch mode information. So it is analyzing about this information for this batch. I'm going to show you another song. Okay, it has found that song. Public the track information. That's got the information correctly. I'm going to analyze for the BPM. Also, you can rename the files properly within the virtual DJ. From here, you click on this one. It is renamed the physical file name here based on the artist name and title. So here you can say file as track name and the artist name, which is based on your preference. You can do it. So I prefer putting the artist name first. So I click on here. So it has renamed the file accordingly. You can do it for all your tracks. So my preference is select the artist name first, then the track name. Okay, I think you got the idea how you are going to properly organize your entire music library easily without any hassle. So you can automatically get the information and update the information with the correct information. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share this video among your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.